Hey guys, so recently my sister texted me and said she was going to our favorite place for Music Fest, which is Island Noodles, that they were doing like a food truck night. So we decided to join. And while I was there, my 15-year-old daughter would have nothing to do with me filming. So I filmed just so I could put it on the channel to give you an idea of what it looks like here in the Valley on a Thursday night at food truck night. So enjoy. There was really a little bit of everything here. I labeled all of the trucks I could. There was only one vendor at the end that I wasn't able to get their information to share with you all. I also want to note that some people kind of tailgate. They'll bring chairs so that they could eat their meal here and then they could go back for dessert. I wish I had thought of that. My daughter did get a churro though. And I wanted to get the donuts here, but the line was too long by the time I went. But just something to do. You made it to the end. Thanks so much for watching. I want to tag another video here with some other things I suggested to do in the valley.